best, I gave my all. Still I'm the first one to fall. Every step I take feels steep. Every promise I try to keep. I watch others move ahead while I'm stuck inside my head, doing everything I can. Still it slips right through my hands. I'm tired of saying it's okay when it's not okay at all. How much more am I supposed to take before